How to set Photo Shuffle Wallpaper on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go to your home screen and swipe down from the top left of your screen and you will be led to your notification center. Here, tap hold on the screen and you will see the plus icon there. Tap on that plus icon on the bottom right of your screen and you will now be able to add wallpaper to your iPhone. So go ahead and select the photo shuffle option you see there at top and then go ahead and select if you want the photo shuffle of people, nature, cities, album, etc. You can go ahead and customize it based on your preference. Once selected, tap on the shuffle frequency option you see there and select if you want the pictures to shuffle on tap, on lock, hourly, or daily. Once done, finally tap on the use featured photos option you see there and further go ahead and make the changes such as adding photos, widgets, etc. Or you can also adjust the clock size and change the font of your clock. Go ahead and make any required changes and finally tap on the add button, and with this, as you can see, the pictures are changing with every tap. So this is how you can change your wallpaper to photo shuffle on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.